In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a private server in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have opened my Dress to Impress on Roblox, and to create a private server, we need to go to this menu, select this menu, and here you will have option to create a private server. Okay, and just hold on, it's still loading. Okay, and as you can see, guys, we need 100 Robux to create a private server. If you have this amount of Robux, you can create private server and just click on create private server here. And then if you want to join private server from the other players, you can just click on join here, and you can filter it either descending or ascending, and you can exclude the full server. Okay, just like this, and just simply click on join to join the server. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to create private server and join private server in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.